Hello everyone, this is railway station systems with 6 stations based on easy backman system. So we are gonna, the train is stopped at number 6 and we are gonna go to station number 1, then back to 6 and then back to 1, express style with 5 second stop at each station. So here I'm gonna run my code and here we turn on the power. Here's the train that goes there to station number 5. Goes to 4. 3. Comes back to 1. It's gonna make a 5 second stop on number 1. Then it's going to go back to station number 6. It's going to make a 5 second stop at number 6. And after 5 second stop, it's going to come back to station number 1. This is the final stop of the train at station number 1, and there you go.